Can I start? This is the second machine which I want to introduce now. This is called Hyperpulse. This machine is used for basically for hair removal purposes. But this is not the only aiming for the machine, because you may use it for other purposes also. You just push the screen and you start the machine, and you may see the functions, the basic functions of the machine. There are two types of handpiece. You may see this is the small handpiece, this is the big handpiece. As you see, the handpiece size is very big. So this is very important while you're doing hair removal, because in a clinic, it's the most important thing is the time. So when you go to a clinic, you need to spend little time on the clinic about hair removal. That's why the machine should be quick, should be fast. That's why you can use that machine, because it works really fast. It works at 5 Hertz. So, and you may complete for full body epilation, for example, in 20 or 25 minutes. That's really fantastic when you compare with other things, because there are other types of technologies like alexandrite or diode. When you compare with that machine, alexandrite and diode, this is very quick, because in an alexandrite or diode, you have to spend at least 1 hour for hair removal. That's why you can take, for example, in a single day, you may have 6 patients. But with that machine, it increases to 15 patients. That's why actually you earn more money. You can get more patients and you can earn more money. Also, you have to make less shot count with that machine, because for full body you need only 1,500 shots to finish up whole body. So that's great, because for example in the diode you have to use at least 10,000. It is same for Alex. You have to use at least 10,000 because they have very small spot size. That's why you have to actually spend more time, and you have to be very hard working. So that's why that machine is really good. Also, it includes some other functions, again for acne, for vascular, for redness. You may change only filters. There are 5 filters, and each filter do different jobs, and you may use different filters and different technology and different kinds of problems on your skin. That's in short.
Talk to us about your company and where do we...
Okay.
A little bit.
Our company actually is located in Istanbul, in the center of Istanbul, Mecidiyeköy. The company name is ÇAÐDAŞ Group. Actually, we are doing this business for many years. We started doing business on podology first of all, but then later on we started doing machine business too, because actually we had many success about podology. That's why we had many clients, and they demanded us to introduce new machine to the market, and we decided to import machines from other countries, and actually I think we succeeded.